Let's get right into deep cleaning my disgusting trash can using a 4-step process. Now I'm using my favorite pressure washer, but I recognize many people don't have one, so you can also use a standard garden hose. However, electric pressure washers are so cheap and easy to use these days that if you don't have one, I highly recommend it for all sorts of household projects. Now obviously you'll want to remove anything physical before wetting your trash can, and unfortunately this bag and trash at the bottom is just stuck, so I'm going to have to start with it in there. Begin by dousing the trash can with your standard grease cutting dish soap. Get the inside, outside, as well as the lid and even the wheels. Again, I'm using the foamer on my pressure washer, but you can use a bucket of soap and water or even a spray bottle to douse it. Lay the trash can down and hose down or pressure wash everything to the best of your ability before scrubbing. This will make the physical scrubbing and cleanup much easier. After that, I douse it again in the dish soap, and next you'll want to grab some sort of long brush, perhaps even a broom, but I recommend a telescoping brush like I'm using here. Just makes getting in there way easier and keeps your hands and arms free from having to get too deep inside there. Scrub nice and hard, internally and externally, as well as the lid. In my experience, it's easiest to keep rotating the trash can and dumping excess water as often as you need. And then spray it with more soap and water if you want. Frankly, too much soap is not even possible here. Then to help fight odors and bacteria, spray a couple cups of white vinegar all over. You can use bleach, but if you're using a spray bottle, you need to clean it out after because it's corrosive and can actually ruin your sprayer. I definitely learned that the hard way, and it's also a good idea to dilute your bleach if you are using it. Don't forget to spray the rim and the crevices where all that nastiness likes to build up. Then rinse it again and we're almost done. But pro tip, wash everything that you just used. The nasty, germ-filled water surely got all over it, and you'd hate to touch it and spread those germs, or even worse, touch your face or mouth with it. Let it dry completely in the sun for several hours. Direct sunlight is quite an effective germ and bacteria killer. Not only that, mold and mildew will accrue if you simply close the lid, or worse, start putting trash in it while it's still wet inside. Now that's a clean looking trash can, but we're not done yet. Sprinkle some baking soda at the bottom of the can to help reduce future odors. And now we're done. But I hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns. Have a great day.